whole entire car is just so smoked. Look at that. Hey guys, so I bought another car. It's another S chassis. That's it right there. Probably got the cheapest S chassis in all of Central Florida right now. This one right here. This thing's absolutely smoked though. I'm gonna try to get down to the bottom of all this Bondo one day. Just want to see like what the actual shape of this car is in. God. Look how thick that is. That's insane. Our next amazing feature of the cheapest S13 in Central Florida is this lovely quarter panel here. Would you look at that? Oh yeah, get a load of that. This car is just oozing with surprises. Oozing with surprises. Oozing with surprises. Look at that. Fred Flintstone will be proud. Came with another subframe though, which is dope. This whole entire car is an absolute mess. I'd say from like the shock towers back, it's somewhat of a decent basis to like build off of, but this thing is just like too smoked for even me to want to try to restore this thing. It's way too big of a project. Probably gonna have it for sale soon. I don't know, I might keep it just to keep the title. The car did come with some pretty cool features though. So check this out. Get your favorite flathead. Let's go to your favorite part. Pop it off. Nice and easy. You know? Easy weight savings. And it's kind of fun to do. It's a little bit satisfying. But I think it's one of the coolest features of S13s. So Lord knows what horrors hide behind all the Bondo on this car. There's just so much of it too. Like right here on the door too. Look at that nastiness. It's way over a quarter, or not a quarter inch, but way over like an 1/8 inch thick. Look at that. I cannot make this up. Just pulled this little chip out. Look at that. That was right there. This is the most amount of Bondo I've ever seen. The sunroof is also kind of boof. It's like popping out right there. Yeah, this whole thing just like lifts up. It's so sketch. It is made by ASC though, American Sunroof Company. So as you can see here, the whole entire core support's all mashed up. The car did come with another one. This thing has a clean title. It's in really rough shape. No windshield here, as you can see. The dashboard has been like fiberglassed or some kind of epoxy on it at one point. It's so trashed. This whole entire chassis is just absolutely smoked. I got it for parts, and the price of it was too good to pass up. So that's where we're at right now. We just noticed this here. Oh, cool. No keys, of course. This was a manual car, as you can see, with this little nub here for the key. No dash harness. This door doesn't even open. You go in there, press the button, nothing happens. Since I'm at the shop today too, I figured I may as well just start cleaning up some parts to get ready to throw it together. So I'm gonna try to clean some stuff up here today. First up on the block is this diff right here. Wheel this thing out. God, this is so sketch. Start off with the diff right here. This thing's super crusty. It's gonna need a lot of work, I feel. Jeez, that thing was filthy. We got it somewhat cleaned out now. It's still not 100%, but I'm gonna say it's good enough for storage for now. This is just like a welded up S13 diff that came with the crusty shell I got. It's still got a little bit of crap caked on there, but I can say I got by like 80% of all that crap off. You can actually see the diff cover now. Oh, jeez. Next on the chopping block are these two diff covers here. We got S13 one, we got another 14 one here. Just gonna clean these up, put these in storage, probably hold on to them for a little bit. I don't know, might sell them.